Well, the question says that given the following quadratic number pattern 5, -4, -19, and -40, etc. Question 2.1.1 says determine the constant second difference of the sequence. So I'm gonna write the question over here. 2.1.1. We're looking for the second difference. Okay, I call it these two. So now when the question says that it is a quadratic number pattern, you know one of the properties that there is the second difference is constant. So the pattern are like 5, -4, -19, -40. Let's first find the first difference. So we're gonna do this the number here, -4 minus 5, okay, which makes -9. This makes -9, and then -19 minus -4. We need to be careful here. -4 makes +4, so that will make -15, okay, and then -40 minus -19, that will make -21. And now we can sound that was the first difference. Now all this was D1, the first difference. Now we're going to find out D2, the second difference, which will be -15 minus -9, which makes -15 plus 9, and that makes -6, and -21 minus -15 makes -6. Now this is D2. So we can say therefore D2 is equal to -6. That's the second difference. Okay. Then the following question says that was 2.1.1. Now we're going to do 2.1.2. It says I determine the nth term Tn of the pattern. Okay. So I'm gonna write here 2.1.2. So we are looking for Tn, the nth term, because that's the term that's determining the nth term, Tn. All right. Now there are some properties for in the quadratic pattern. We know that the value a, the first Tn, first of all, Tn is given by an squared plus bn plus c. Okay, it's called quadratic pattern because it has a form of a quadratic equation. Now the leading coefficient a is equal to the second difference over 2. Okay, I prefer to write it like that. A will be equal to D2 over 2. And then also 3a plus b is equivalent to the difference between the first two terms of the quadratic pattern, and then a plus b plus c equal to term 1. Now let's work it out. If I use this formula, a, for instance, I can just say a is -6 over 2, okay? And then we can find the value of a, which is -3. Now we got a, and then we have like 3a plus b plus 9 must be equal to, so we have like 3a plus b equal to a. Previously we did find that a was equal to -3. I sub the value of a, and then T2 minus T1 is this term here. This is T2 minus T1, the difference between the first two terms of the quadratic pattern, -9 here. So this is equal to this must be equal to -9. Now let's work it out. That makes also -9 plus b equal to -9. And now if I move the -9 over, we have like b equal to 0, because these two can just cancel out, -9 and -9. Okay. And then also it is said that a plus b plus c, okay, equal to term 1. So now over here, what we do have, a has a value of -3, b is 0, okay? So we have like -3 plus 0 plus c equal to T1, the first term, which is 5. So I'm going to substitute the value of 5. And then this will be this makes C equal to, if I move the negative 3 over, that makes C equal to 5 plus 3, and therefore C will be equal to 8. Now that we have the value of A, B, and C, we can work out Tn, okay, by substituting the value of A, B, C in this quadratic pattern here. So now I'm gonna write it like this. Write it a little bit there. I'm gonna say Tn, therefore Tn will be equal to negative 3n squared. I don't need to write 0n because that's just 0, and then I'll say negative 3n squared plus 8. That's the value of Tn. Okay. The following question is question 2.1.3. The question says that which term of the pattern will be equal to negative 25,939. Okay, I prefer to move my board over here. So question 2.1.3. So we are looking for a certain term n, a certain position n, okay, which will make which term will be equal to negative 25,939. Now we do have like Tn equal to negative 3n squared plus 8. I can write it like negative 3n squared plus 8 equal to Tn. Okay, so now I can just say negative 3n squared plus 8 equal to Tn is given by the number negative 25,939. Okay, so I can submit here negative 25,939. Now if I move the 8 over, that makes negative 3n squared will be equal to negative 25,939 minus 8. Now we can use a calculator, or maybe let's just first solve it. That makes negative 3n squared equal to negative 25,931, because this number minus 8 is just gonna be 931 here. Then if I need to find n, what I can do, I can divide both sides by negative 3. Okay, negative 3 there, and then we'll get like n squared will be equal to, now let's divide, I'm gonna use a calculator to do that. So I'm gonna say negative 25,931 over negative 3. Okay, this is equal to oh la la, there was a mistake here. Okay, over here, actually, when we minus 9, it's minus, it was negative here, minus here will be rather 47. That's wrong. I prefer to write here. It should have been negative 25,947. Okay, you can check in the calculator. Negative 25,939 minus 8. This is equal to, yes, negative 25,947. So if I divide both sides by negative 3, then I'll divide this by negative 3. And then this is equal to 8649. So 8649. Now we have, this is n squared. Now if I need to find n, what I can do, I just gonna square root both sides. I square root here and then square root there, and then that makes n will be equal to let's see, square root of this square root of 8649 equal to 93. So n equal to 93. Therefore term, you can say therefore term 93 equal to negative 25. That's the meaning 939. Thank you.